Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Today's afternoon, I went to the Shalom Cat Park to do some workout. Right there. And while I was there, I took some footage but vertically due to the fact that my shorts have way more views and likes lately. So y'all can expect a shorts with all that soon. Anyway, right after a quick shower, I remembered that on my way over I saw some new shop that just opened, so I went back there to try the Khanom Tokyo. In Pattaya, I only found very crispy crepe, but here these are very thin, just the way they are in France, but smaller. So that was it. I hope that you'll appreciate my recent discoveries just like I did eating them. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.